Hello, my name is Jacco. I'm a luthier in the north of the Netherlands in Groningen, and I'm here to tell you about the workshop me and my friend Tania Spalt are planning to do in Vienna in February 2020. You obviously clicked on the link to see this video, so you might be interested. Why would anyone be interested in doing a CNC workshop? I think maybe you have a CNC machine collecting dust in the corner of your workshop because you don't really know how to use it, or you are planning to acquire a CNC machine, maybe a small one, and want to know what kind of software to use and how to make your own designs. Maybe you are already using a CNC machine, but someone else is making your toolpaths and your programs for you, and you want to take more control of things and make your own parts. Those could be reasons to join us. And maybe you just want to make these kind of modern fingerboards. The first time I saw one of these was with my friend Sander de Gier, and he showed me that these fingerboards are a lot stiffer than the traditionals we always used to make. These fingerboards of course have compound radius, but the fret slots follow that compound radius and they stop before the end of the fingerboard, so you don't see the fret ends. This is of course a bass guitar fingerboard. You can see the fret slots following the compound radius, position dots. But the fun part is this bass fingerboard is made with the exact same model that I've used to make this guitar fingerboard. And it's the same model. The only thing that's different is that I've used different dimensions in the parameters which the model is listening to. So with one model you can make every fingerboard you want. And with some luck we will even be able to talk about making a multi-scale fingerboard. So if you know how to use a computer, if you know how to email, if you do your own Excel stuff, etc., you will be able to learn this. You don't need to have any previous experience. You don't need to be young and savvy with a zillion devices to be able to do this. If you have an open mind to doing things right and you are willing to work hard, you are able to do this. So, just to give you an example, this is how it would look like in Fusion 360 with the fingerboard profile and the fret slots and the position dots. And if you make a model out of this, you will find it makes a nice fingerboard with the frets and maybe even a nice logo or a signature. And this is the model we've used to make this fingerboard. This workshop is really aimed at professional luthiers, people who know how to make guitars and have been making their own fingerboards for years. We are going to use a software called Autodesk Fusion 360, and that is a piece of software which not only has one of the best camera modules one can wish for, that's the part with which you actually make the toolpaths, but it is free to use for small businesses and students. It will run on a computer, it will run on a desktop, it will run on a laptop, Windows or Mac, it will run on anything. You can not only make fingerboards after you've done this workshop, but you will also be able to make templates with which you can use, of course, to make your own parts or necks or bodies or whatever in a more traditional way. Maybe we will take a look at doing multi-scale fingerboards. And maybe we'll find time to talk about doing engravings or stuff to the inlays in your fingerboard. So What will you take away from this workshop? You will be able to make your own fingerboards, and if you need different measurements, you will be able to just use different values of your parameters and make new toolpaths and post them to your CNC and make them. You will be able to make custom backplates for customers with engravings, with signatures or whatever. You will be able to make templates. Again, these can be changed for the needs you have for different customers, and you can make them again and again. So I think you will walk away with a big head start in making parametrically driven CNC models and making your own parts. I hope you're interested. If so, you can find us at the email address listed here. We hope to hear from you. Bye.